Welcome back to class. Hope you are having a great day. This class is part of our collection of grammar reference videos on the English language. Today we are going to talk briefly about the simple present verb tense, a crucial tense that is normally the first one you learn and the first you master. It is used extensively, and it is used in many different situations and interactions in English. Before we get started, do consider helping us. Subscribe to the channel, give a like, and don't forget to hit that notification button. This way you will never miss a video from us. The simple present, also called present simple or present indefinite, is a verb tense which is used to show repetition, habit of generalization. Additionally, the simple present can also be used to talk about scheduled actions in the near future and, in rare cases, even actions happening now. Let's just first have a look at the simple present forms. Note that the simple present is just the base form of the verb. Questions are formed with do and negative forms are made with do not, don't when using a contraction. Here are some examples. Statement: I live in Brazil. Question: do you live in Brazil? Negative: you do not live in Brazil. Please note that in the third person singular, s or s is added. Questions are formed with does and negative forms are made with does not. Doesn't when using a contraction. Statement: he lives in Brazil. Question: does he live in Brazil? Negative: he does not live in Brazil. So, that's the basic form of the present simple verb tense. But how is it used? Let's find out. When you talk about repeated actions, you can use the present simple verb tense. The action can be a habit, a hobby, a daily event, a scheduled event, or something that simply often happens. Perhaps something a person often forgets or usually does not do. Here are some examples that illustrate this. I play chess. She does not play chess. Does she play badminton? The bus leaves every morning at 7 a.m. The bus does not leave at 10 a.m. When does the bus normally leave? She always works overtime. He never works overtime. Every year, we celebrate Christmas December 25th. So there it is. As you can see, it's super useful in many different situations. Now you know that you can use the present simple verb tense to talk about habits, hobbies, daily, or scheduled events. We also use the simple present to talk about facts or generalizations. Please note that it doesn't matter if the speaker is correct or not. Let's have a look at some further examples. Mice love cheese. Mice do not like beer. Children love candy floss. Copenhagen is in Denmark. Copenhagen is not in Uganda. Tokyo is a small city. It is not important that this statement is untrue. So far so good. In the next step we're going to have a look at how you can use this verb tense to talk about scheduled events in the near future. Native speakers of English sometimes use the simple present to talk about scheduled events in the near future. It happens frequently when talking about public transportation, but it can be used with other scheduled events as well. Let's see some examples of that. The bus leaves tonight at 7 p.m. The bus does not arrive at 9 a.m., it arrives at 10 p.m. When do we board the airplane? The meeting starts at 8 o'clock. When does the lecture begin tomorrow? It is worth noting that you also use the simple present to describe events at the moment, when using non-continuous verbs. It looks like this. I am not home now. She is at the beach now. They need to go now. He does not want to get up now. He has his credit card ready. Do you have your credit card with you? Thank you so much for coming by in today's class. I'm looking forward to seeing you in the next one.